Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, from wherever you might be watching around the world. Okay, guys, so I bring to you this very great and wonderful update, which is an airdrop on Telegram, and the name of this coin is W coin, which is Wish coin. So right here on Wish coin is an airdrop, just as you knew that of Notcoin, that of TapSwap, and the rest of them. So this one is no different updates as these other ones I just mentioned. So on Wishcoin, you mine your points, which will be converted to money whenever the coin is being listed or is being launched. And also, it might also interest you to hear that this coin, Wish coin, has a special feature which other airdrops didn't possess. So that is staking. So if you check right here, you are going to see staking. So you can also stake your points right here on this system. And if you stake your points, you are going to be able to get more points just for staking your points. Let me just click on it. If you click on it, you are going to see, you see here, you can get up to 20% return of investment. So if I start staking, this is just actually a new it is actually a new account actually. If you start staking, you are going to see they will tell you a specific amount which you can stake within so time, and then you are going to make so percentage. For example, you might stake up to 1000 points, and you are going to be able to make up to 10% within 20 days. So it has different packages. All right, so under the staking, you can stake your points, and after staking your points, you can get some good amount of points. All right, and except from that, this is also the first Telegram airdrop bot that gives you the option to use any blockchain network to withdraw. I don't know if you understand. Let me just go back and show you. If you check from here, you are going to see what is written right here. It says, what can this bot do? Tone, Solana, or Ethereum. Tap to coin and choose what you want. Okay, so whenever you want to withdraw, you are going to choose if you want to withdraw using the Tone or using Solana or Ethereum network, any one you want. Tone is normally the native coin of Telegram. So you can withdraw through Telegram, you can withdraw through Solana, and you can also withdraw through Ethereum. All right, so let me go back to the initial place where we are supposed to be. Okay, so if you want to register right now, it's very simple, just as you know we used to do it as usual. You just check the description section of this video. You are going to see the link. That link, click on it. After clicking on it, then it is going to take you to this place where you are going to be able to claim and accumulate points just by clicking on the coin icon. All right, so you just keep clicking on it, keep clicking on it, keep clicking on it until you exhaust your power. Immediately you exhaust your power, it loads up as soon as possible. It takes up to 1000 seconds to load up. So once it loads up, you come back, you keep clicking. If you notice here, you are going to see that as I'm clicking, you are going to be seeing +1 +1 +1. Now if you want to double your power, you can also come to this boost. See this boost here? So you click on this boost. If you click on this boost, you are going to see tap. You see tap here. So once you buy tap, I don't have enough points to buy a tap. I will be needing up to 2500 points to buy a tap. So if I buy or purchase this tap, it's going to give me more power to each time I tap, instead of seeing +1, I might be seeing +4 +3. Okay, so that is what that basically does for you. And then if you come back to this tab, also there's also the maximizer, there's the charger, there's the worker. This worker now right here that you see here, this worker allows you or enables you, this worker allows you or enables you um to mine even when you are not there. So once you are not there, it's going to still be mining for you. It's going to keep mining for you because you have already purchased a robot. It just it serves as a robot. Okay, so this is all about the boost aspects. And then if you want to invite people, it also gives you more chances of earning. You just come over to the mates right here. I won't like to make this video so long, so you can check it out here. You are going to see the link to invite people. And then there's also the tax. Just as you know it as usual, once you come over to that tax section, you are going to see many other things. Okay, let me just click on it. So you are going to see things you can do in order to you know get more points for yourself. So once you are done performing these tasks, you are also going to accumulate more points. So this is it about this particular opportunity or this particular airdrop. And once you have already connected, just check right over here. You are going to see this wallet icon. Once you click on it, you can be able to connect your wallet. Okay, so you can be, just as I told you earlier, you are going to be able to choose if you want Ton or Solana or Ethereum. So I'll be connecting with Ton because I love what Telegram is doing and I prefer to withdraw through Telegram. And you also know, if you are familiar with Telegram, you are also going to know that you are also supposed to know that Telegram have they have this thing. They have a wallet on Telegram. So that will be basically what you are going to be using to withdraw whenever this coin is being listed. So I'll be leaving my own on Ton. So guys, this is it about this opportunity. If you have any questions, you can drop it right on the comment section. I will be ever ready and available to answer you. I also advise you join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, via the links on the description section of this video, so that you're not going to miss out on any of our updates. And very important, make sure you give this video a like. See you in my next video, guys, and stay blessed.